All right, I have a good news for you. AWS is providing new certification, which is just the launch of the certification, which is named as AWS Certified Generative AI Developer Professional, and the beta registration opens November 18, 2025. So here, if you can see the cost, if we look, is the 150 USD, the beta cost. This is a special price, we know, because this is a professional exam. And if we look at the website here, professional exam usually costs $300, which is, if it costs $150 now, so it is 50% of the original cost. So you can save tons of bucks here. And what are the requirements, who should take it, everything, the basic ABC questions are answered here. If you are having any kind of doubts, please refer to this the main page. You'll find most of your queries here, what the exam is all about, who should take for, and basically, so since the registration date hasn't opened yet, it's still we still have time. So you need to schedule for the exam, and you will be able to get the beta exam cost. And I hope you'll be making use of this opportunity to take this exam at 50% of cost during its launch price. Thank you so much for watching. Please do share this video with your friends and colleagues who are AWS enthusiasts or into generative AI or a developer, which will help them to upskill themselves with industry grade certification. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out my other courses on Udemy by searching Cloud Guru Amit, where I have tons of courses related to cloud computing, that is Azure, Google Cloud, AWS, cybersecurity, management courses, and many more. And also, please consider connecting with me on LinkedIn at the rate of Cloud Guru Amit, or Instagram at the rate of Amit Physique, where if you need any kind of personal assistance, I'll be glad to help you out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do consider sharing this video with your colleagues or friends so that they can also utilize the training program provided by NVIDIA.